5,639.
Kuringana na riboti iria irekereirio ni thirikari ya Laikipia ma mihango ya guthurima aruti a wira a kaunti ino na uria wambiririe mwaka muhituku kuri na mawira matarabatara aruti wira undu uria wongagirira ngarama ya kuriha mishahara. Riboti ino yonanitie andu amwe mandikitwo mawira maria matafatie na angi mari wira no gutire utungata maheanaga. Mamwe ma mawira maya ni ta andu aria matumagwo gutwara marua o undu umwe na secretary akwamukira na gucenjia thimu.
Practically eliminated landlines and therefore reduced the reliance on switchboards. So you no longer have huge needs for telephone operators who operate switchboards and so on.
Kurumirira riboti ino, riu kaunti ya Laikipia ikurugamia aruti wira 172 aria mawira mao maninetwo undu uria ukuhuthira shiringi milioni 190.
We've declared redundancies and 172 staff will be affected. And as is required by the Employment Act, we will be paying the officers or staff their dues, their full dues.
Kuringana na gavana wa Laikipia Derito Muriithi, undu uyu ni guteithiriria kunyihia garama ya urihi wa mishahara iria iri iguru muno ikiringithanio na kigina kia uthii wa nambere.
How much is government spending on itself is perhaps the biggest question of our time today. I mean, governments do not exist to serve themselves. Governments exist to serve society. So, to be frugal is demanded by the Constitution. It is required by the Public Finance Management Act. And there are certain ratios that you are all aware of, that wages and salaries should not be exceeding 35% of the total annual budget.
Andu aria mawira mao maninetwo mambiriirie kwamukira marua mao umuthi. Muriithi akiuga undu uyu ukinyanirio ni undu wa uhuthiri wa technology na ukinyaniria wa kiriu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wambui wa Maina.